I love to solve problems. I've learned that I'm really good at that. And within technology, there are a lot of problems to solve. Essentially, once I recognized that IT was the route that I wanted to take, it felt like a giant leap. But as I participated in camps at Purdue and recognized that you didn't have to know all of these skills right off the bat, that they were going to teach you. Purdue is where I figured out how to take one step at a time. Entrepreneurship was a dream that started when I was a kid. When I was younger, my mom would always make me peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I hated them. So what would I do? I sell them in school. I was born and raised in Gary, Indiana. The average household income in Gary is between $35,000 and $40,000. From an opportunity perspective within technology, there really wasn't any. And so when it comes to like resources and learning about like technology, entrepreneurship, those things really didn't exist. The way I ended up at Purdue was actually marching band. Purdue hosts this event called Purdue Band Day for the high schools across the state of Indiana. When I got there, I just fell in love with the space. I just knew that Purdue was going to be the place I called home for 4 years. College day one, I was hands-on, and work day one, I was hands-on. The skills directly transferred. I definitely can say that I was industry ready day one through the opportunities and the classes and the labs that I took during my time at Purdue. I now work for a technology consulting firm called West Monroe. Basically, what I'm known to do is technology assessments, disaster recovery work, you name it. Working at West Monroe is honestly amazing. If it's not for the people, it's for the culture, it's for the type of work that we do, and it's also for the space. Who has a bowling alley? We have so many amazing things here in the office that we get to tinker with when we're not working. They understand me outside of work, right? And they support my organization, but they support my entrepreneurial efforts as a whole. Purdue showed me the steps to an IT career that I absolutely love. West Monroe allows me to do what I love, but it affords me the opportunity to continue to work in technology, get paid to work in technology, so that the technology piece can feed the passion baby, which is Ironworks. Ironworks is a nonprofit business incubator where we work with students as well as small businesses in underserved communities such as Gary, Indiana, to show them how to get started on their entrepreneurial journey. We like to call ourselves the launch pad to getting started because we are the foundation pieces. It's what I love. I am definitely grateful for my experiences at Purdue. It humbled me in so many ways, but it also helped me build a lot of grit and resilience, and that's how you take giant leaps. My name is Faith Spencer. I graduated from Purdue Polytechnic with a double major in cybersecurity and network engineering, and I love to solve problems.